Imagine waking up at 35 with enough money to travel the world, retire your parents, or even quit your job just because you can. Now, imagine the opposite. You are 35, stuck in a job you hate, wondering where all your money went. Scary, right? Well, the future doesn't begin at 35. It starts now, in your 20s. Today, I will show you how to start investing in your 20s. Even if you don't earn much, even if you are scared, even if you think it's too early. This video could change your financial future forever. So don't miss a single second. Let's get one thing straight. Your 20s are not too early to start investing. In fact, they are your biggest advantage. Why? Because of one magical force, compounding. It's the magic that transforms humble beginnings into extraordinary wealth over time. If you start investing just 5,000 rupees a month at age 22, by the time you are 50, you could have more than 2 CR, even if you stop investing after 35. But if you start at 30 instead, you would have to invest double the amount for twice as long just to catch up. And if you are thinking, I will start when I earn more, that's like saying I will join the gym after I get abs. The earlier you start, the less you need and the more freedom you gain. But what if you are broke right now? Should you still bother? Here's the truth. Investing is not just for rich people in suits. It's for college student with 500 rupees, the fast jobber with EMIs, and yes, it's for you. So, how do you start? Here are the 3 steps. Step 1. Build an emergency fund. Before you invest, protect yourself. Save at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. Put it in a liquid fund or high interest savings account. Because life happens. Job loss, hospital bills, unexpected expenses. You don't want to pull money out of your investments during a crisis. Step 2. Start SIPs in index funds. Don't overthink it. Pick a simple index fund like Nifty 50 or Sensex. Start a SIP even if it's just 500 rupees a month. Low cost, diversified, reliable. Step 3. Automate it. Set it, forget it. Make it boring. Make it consistent. Because wealth is not built by timing the market. It's built by time in the market. Think of SIPs like gym memberships. Except instead of apps, you get rich. But if you want to grow faster, whatever stocks, crypto, gold, once you have built a strong base, it's time to grow. But don't fall into the trap most people do. They jump into stocks without learning. They buy crypto from Instagram reels. They invest in real estate with loans they can't repay. Don't chase hype, build knowledge. Here's a smarter way. Year 1 to 2, keep 80% of your investments in index funds. Use this time to read books, watch videos, and learn. Year 3 and beyond. Once you are confident, experiment. Put 10 to 15% in stocks, gold ETFs, or REITs. And here's a golden rule. Never invest in anything you don't understand. If a 5-minute video confuses you, it's not your time yet. Let me ask you something. If I gave you 10 lakh rupees right now, where would you invest it? If your answer is maybe mutual funds, that's your sign to learn more before you earn more. Your 20s are not for shortcuts. They are for systems. Build once, benefit your life. But even the best investors fail not because of bad markets, but because of bad habits. You now have the game plan. Start early, start small, stay consistent. That's how you stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building a life of freedom. But there's one last piece of the puzzle. Avoiding the mistakes that silently destroy your wealth. And I have made a full video on that. It's called 5 financial mistakes to avoid in your 20s. It's honest, it's practical, and it could save you lakhs in the future. Click the video on your end screen right now because one mistake today could cost you years tomorrow. I'll see you there.